Hi guys, welcome to Shrisha's Kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we're going to see how to make pineapple jam. The history of jam dates back to the Greeks. They used it to preserve fruits, but now we buy fruits to make jam. Totally reversed, right? So let's get started. I have took one medium-sized pineapple, which without the skin is 1 kg. Then I'm cutting it into cubes, then shifting it into a mixer jar. Let's grind it nicely without any lumps. So now once you have made this puree, we have to measure it because we're going to take the same quantity of sugar. For a kg of pineapple, it is coming little bit more than 500 milliliters. So now let's transfer it to a pan or any vessel of your convenience. Now we need to keep stirring it. Keep stirring it occasionally. Friends, if you don't stir it, it's gonna start bubbling up and your kitchen is gonna be a mess. I had kept some finely chopped pineapples which we are going to add now. This is totally optional, friends. If you want, you can add it. If not, you can leave this step. So now we need to start stirring it continuously for 10 minutes. During this process, our pineapple pieces will get cooked nicely and our puree will get thick. And friends, do not add water and keep the flame in medium while you're stirring it. Now after 10 minutes, look, our mixture has become thick. Now we will add sugar. You can take the same quantity of sugar and puree, but I think it's too sweet. So I'm going to add only 400 grams of sugar and it's perfect for me. Once the sugar has melted, you can see it's starting to become a little bit transparent. And we'll be able to see our tasty pineapple pulps. So now we need to let it boil. Now when it started boiling, you can see the whole mixture became transparent and our pulps are just popping out and it's less foamy. Now as the sugar melts, you could see that our mixture became watery. So we need to boil for approximately 15 minutes more or until it becomes a little bit thicker. So now it has become thick. So now look at the consistency. It has become thicker and it has become transparent and no foam has occurred. At this stage, add lemon juice from half a lemon. Don't add too much. 5 to 7 drops will be fine. And I have removed the seed also. So once you have added the lemon, stir for 5 minutes. Lemon juice acts as a preservative and it prevents the jam from being crystallized. So now after 5 minutes, our jam is ready. Now we can switch off the stove. And friends, look at the consistency. It became just like the store-bought jams. And the aroma, you don't need to say it. I feel like I live in a pineapple, just like SpongeBob. It's amazing. Now I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of pineapple essence to just give it a punch, but again it's optional. So now let's check whether our jam is ready. In a plate I have poured some of our jam, and when it's cooled, I'm going to just draw our lines straightly. And if it's not runny and you can see the line clearly, that means our jam is ready. We should store this jam in a sterilized bottle. Means you should keep the jar in boiling water and dry it completely. So in this way, it will stay with us for a month. This method applies for all types of jam, apple, strawberry, anything. Friends, you need to try this jam. It is tasty, easy to spread and very easy to make. This jar of deliciousness is all for us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.